Students, today we discuss about the topic capacitor and its principle, and it is a very important topic for your board exams and also to understand the capacitor. First of all, what is the meaning of capacitor? We are saying that capacitor is an arrangement of two conductors placed very close to each other. ओके ऐसा करने से क्या होगा कि जब हम दो कंडक्टर्स को पास में रखेंगे तो उसका चार्ज को स्टोर करने की कैपेसिटी क्या हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी। और बेसिकली यही हमारा कैपेसिटर बनाने का पर्पस है। अगर आप डेली लाइफ में देखें तो हम लोग जो आपका कूलर है, फैन है, इलेक्ट्रिक फैन, मोटर, इन सब में हम लोग कैपेसिटर का यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, तो अगेन आई एम सेइंग व्हाट इज ए कैपेसिटर। कैपेसिटर इज एन अरेंजमेंट टू स्टोर एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज। नाउ व्हाट इज इट्स प्रिंसिपल, ये कैसे काम करता है, किस तरीके से अपन एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज स्टोर कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट। ओके, नाउ सपोज आई एम टेकिंग ए कंडक्टर प्लेट ए, I am taking a conductor plate A and I am giving it to positive charge. Now its potential becomes maximum. अपन इसको और चार्ज नहीं दे सकते. We are giving it maximum charge. Now I bring another conductor plate B near to it. Now I bring another uncharged conductor plate B near to it. By induction, there is the negative charge. Okay, and here there is the positive charge. Okay, now if I earth this conductor plate B, suppose if I do earthing, what happened? This positive charge travel to ground, means there is no positive charge. Now what happened? This negative charge try to reduce its potential. जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है इस सिस्टम का पोटेंशियल क्या कर देगा, कम कर देगा. इट मीन्स वी कैन गिव एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज. तो दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैपेसिटर. Means when we bring an uncharged earthed conductor plate near a charged conductor plate, its capacity to store extra amount of charge increases. This is the principle of capacitor. Clear to everybody? Depending on shape and size of the conductor, we divide capacitor into different types. For example, when we are using plates, okay, suppose rectangular plates, then it is the example of parallel plate capacitor. Now if I am using spherical conductor, if I am using spherical conductor, it is the example of spherical capacitor. It is the example of spherical capacitor. There is the positive charge and inside there is the negative charge. So that is the parallel plate capacitor, that is the spherical capacitor. If we take conductor in shape of cylinder, then it is the cylindrical capacitor. Okay, now we try to derive the formula for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Okay, now we find capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Again, it is a very important formula. Now we know we give a charge plus Q to this plate A, and there is a induced charge on plate minus Q, and that is the earthing of the second plate. Okay, we Find that A equals to area of each plate. What is sigma? Surface charge density. Clear to all of you? And the distance between the plates is D. And there is a vacuum actually. What we are considering here? Vacuum. Okay. Definitely there is the electric field E set up between the plates of the capacitor. Now what is our aim? To find capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So we know C equals to Q upon V. That is our basic formula. C equals to Q upon V. It means to derive C we have to find Q and V. Tell it to everybody. We know the relation V equals to E into D. That is we know. Okay. And V equals to sigma upon epsilon naught into D. That is also relation for electric field. E equals to sigma upon epsilon naught. V equals to Q upon A epsilon naught into D. That is equation number 2. Because sigma is, what is surface charge? Sigma equals to Q upon A. जो आपने चार्ज दिया वो कितना है बेटा Q, एरिया ऑफ ईच प्लेट है, तो what is surface charge density? Q by A. तो I put here sigma equals to Q by A. This is the relation V equals to E into D. We know already. Since E equals to क्या होता है? Minus dV upon dr. This is the relation between electric field and electric potential. I use this relation here. So V equals to E into D. E की जगह अपन ने क्या पुट कर दिया? सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ओके. सिग्मा क्या होता है आपका? Q upon A. So this equation comes. Okay. Now put this value from equation 2 in equation 1. I find C equals to Q upon Q into D upon epsilon naught A. Q से Q क्या हो गया? कैंसिल. I can write C equals to epsilon naught A upon D. So this is the formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when vacuum is there. Vacuum is in between the plates of the capacitor. What we conclude from this formula? If we increase the area of the plates, capacitance increases. If we increase the distance between the plates, what is the D? Distance between the plates. If we increase D, capacitance decreases. Okay, that is a very important formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor.